This is a view of the double bridge aeration tank from the dog bone area. You can see work is being done on the aeration drops and diffusers are being installed. There's the blower building for number one. This is the dog bone area. Now looking over at the single bridge tank. The denitrification ring. There's the access stairs for the construction project. Here we are at train number one clarifier. Currently looking at the center pier. You can see that the new scrapers and support arm assemblies have been installed by our maintenance crew as part of the shutdown. These fabrications are galvanized steel and plastic. You can also see the maintenance crew has finished installing 144 launder boxes, support legs, brackets, and weir plates. These new launder boxes are made from 316 stainless steel and are corrosion resistant. Here you can see the old scraper arms and scraper assemblies that were removed from clarifier number one. As you can see, they are badly corroded, pitted, and broken. Here we are at train number one, aeration tank, single bridge. The inner wall you see is the denitrification chamber. Here we are looking at the center pier of the bridge. Here you can see 2 of the 6 stainless steel baffle plate assemblies that were installed recently by maintenance as part of the shutdown. You can see the relief valves at the lower part of the wall, and you can see the tank has been cleaned. I'm here in the single bridge aeration tank looking at the new stainless steel drops that are in the process of being installed. They're made from 316 stainless steel. The aeration diffusers are being installed also. Here we are, train one, single bridge, inside the denitrification chamber. You're seeing the paddles that rotate on the bridge to mix the sludge. This is a view standing under the dog bone on train number 1. We're looking into the double bridge aeration tank. You can see the new stainless steel drops are being installed by our maintenance crew. We are currently installing the diffusers in the drops. There's the center pier. You can see the bridge. The stainless steel trough on the floor is actually the air line that distributes the air from the lower buildings to the bridge to the drops. You can also see this tank has the BNR system, which has aeration drops around the perimeter of the tank. Up above you can still see the forms for the wall replacement project. Straight ahead is the outfall for the aeration train. We're here at train 1, double bridge aeration tank. What we're looking at is the formwork that was used to pour the concrete to replace 12 inches of the top of the wall. Approximately 180 feet of the wall was saw cut and removed due to corrosion and deterioration. New epoxy coated rebar and water stop was installed, forms were placed, and the concrete was poured yesterday. Currently, the concrete is being water cured with weep hoses and burlap. Once the forms are removed, expansion joints and chamfer edges will be sealed with Sikaflex rubber sealant.